Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We're back once again, and I'm at the park outside here enjoying the weather. It is rather windy right now, so I will have to speak up a little bit, but I decided I would take the car out and just kind of enjoy the weather and maybe talk about it, you know, just kind of be outside, be outside in nature, get some sunshine. Let me flip the camera around here and kind of show you what the car looks like. I know I haven't done like a walk around in a while, so might as well. All right, so this is my 2016 Nissan 370Z Sport Tech. And as you can see, I just got a wash, so looks really, really nice. A lot of people have been asking me the wheels on this car, if they are stock wheels, and yes, they are stock wheels that come from Nissan. These are raised forged wheels, and like I said, this is a 2016. I believe every 4 years or so they change the wheels. Trying to get out of the wind here, but every 4 years ago they changed the wheels, so you may not have seen these wheels before, but that's my license plate right there. I'm just imagining, like what some kid might say as I drive by, like, OMG, it's a 370. So that's why I have that plate there. Taillights and headlights are from Marimoto, if you're wondering. They look really, really nice compared to stock, and they're sequential. So turn signals go up and over. You may have seen the other video that I posted about my taillights and headlights. But I love these lights, especially when they're paired with the fourth brake light down there. It just looks really, really nice. So one of these days I will do a video at night showing what it looks like at night with these lights, but I haven't really gone out and done that yet, so I will eventually do that. I have no idea when, preferably when it's not so windy like it is right now. But going around the vehicle here, you might be able to tell that I have spacers, 20mm spacers all around. If you haven't seen the video about that, go ahead and check it out. But you can kind of see them right in there. But overall, this car is kind of like my baby, It's a big achievement for me, and I really love this car. So I really wasn't aware that it was going to get this windy, so I apologize if the audio is really, really, really bad, but hopefully you guys still enjoy the video. But basically, this car, like I said, it's my baby, and every single rock chip that I get on the hood or the roof or anywhere on it, it pains me a little bit, But this car does not have PPF on it. It's kind of a mistake on my part, but I didn't really have the funds to do that at the time. I would rather spend that money on a warranty, and so that's what I did. So the warranty on this vehicle is actually quite high. It's for 120,000 miles or 7 years, I think. Hopefully I don't have to use that warranty for anything, but it's there if I need to use it. But overall, this car has treated me very, very well. I've done all the oil changes on it. Done all the other fluid changes, so the differential, transmission, those kind of things. Just trying to keep this car alive and going for quite a while. Some of you may have noticed this Z1 sticker, and the reason I have that on there is because most of the parts that are on this vehicle are from Z1 Motorsports. It was tuned by Z1 Motorsports and then retuned again. So basically I had it tuned with the stock intakes, and then I had it retuned with the Z1 long tube intakes, and I have to say the car is pretty quick. It's pretty quick. You definitely feel a punch, and with the Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires on it, it's amazing. I never lose traction ever. Now when it comes to snow and rain, might be a different story there. Rain not so much with these better tires on it, but the old tires I had were pretty bad. But as far as snow goes, this car is still very, very bad in the snow. It doesn't matter what tires you get, it seems, it's bad in the snow. So I try to avoid driving in snow, but sometimes I have no choice. So I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping nothing happens. But in the daytime like this, when it's dry and no rain, no snow, it's amazing. You can floor it and you don't lose traction. It doesn't matter. Even from almost zero, I haven't done it from zero because I don't really want to risk burning my tires off. These tires are very expensive, and I don't want to replace them anytime soon, but I mean, even going from like 20 miles an hour and just flooring it, like, you don't lose traction at all. It just grips and goes. So definitely a good buy for tires. And I really love this car. You know, it's pretty quick, especially with the tune. And you know, I don't really do any races or anything with people. That's not really my thing, but I do have fun with it here and there. But I don't, you know, do donuts or anything like that. Like I said, I care about my tires, so I don't do that kind of stuff. But I love the car. You know, it was a great find as well. You know, the previous owner took very great care of it, and I'm very pleased to say that it hasn't really given me any issues yet. So yeah, with all that being said, let's take a closer look at those wheels. All right, so we're gonna take a closer look at the wheels. Some of you may not have seen these on a Z before, but as I mentioned earlier, these are raised, forged. I believe they're aluminum wheels, and mine personally, I have some chips in them. That's just kind of what happens. And I bought it that way with a few chips, but then I had a few chips I put on myself. But something you might notice is little marks like this. These marks right here are actually from Discount Tire. So when they put it on the machine and they balance the tire on the wheel, that rubber that they have on that piece, it's supposed to help protect your wheels, but it actually left a smudge mark on there, and I have not been able to get that off yet. So that kind of sucks. It's worse on some other wheels. Over here, for instance, got a bigger mark right there. So it's kind of annoying, but I needed to get new tires on it. So, you know, it was kind of more important to me to get the tires rather than worry about rubber stuff, you know, on the wheels. But overall, I think my car looks really nice. I think I'm really pretty much done with the build right now, until I want to add more power to it, which right now is not really a big priority for me. I think it looks good, I think it sounds good, and it's got the power to back it up. So yep, this is what it looks like, and it's pretty much gonna wrap the video up. I want to thank you for watching today's video, and hopefully the audio wasn't too terrible. But yeah, if you like seeing videos about my 370Z, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make more videos like this. Just kind of talking about it, or any questions you have about it. I'm definitely an open book, so go ahead and ask away in the comments. With all that being said, like I said, I'm gonna end the video here, and maybe shoot 1 or 2 more videos while I'm out here. So I'll see you in the next one.